Kublai phi baro shkathup khubor jangi ka dbmnTv. Kimat ki bakong san ta ka singi kilong. Bamdu ka khlam African swine fever ya arpu arteli ki sniang hati saw. Tu ki pat ba ban jungo bat thiet ki tiar pen internet ki ba harukom. An kendo ki kli ban tem me ka jingyak kan at balapun hapadeng ki ar district. Ban jur ka dheng kali hamairang thaulat pasnong ban bor pulet ban wengeka. Teman-teman ne phaj ki khubor ki bakham banya. Hadin ka jingshak ta ka jaka risniang jong we unong risniang hapo ka snong ti saw nong ston na ka jingpang African swine fever ASF u district magistrate ka West Khasi Hills district ula penjari da ka kendon 144 CRPC hakate ka jaka banyada na ka jingsa priang kate ka jingpang. Karkum ka jinge thu ju Dr. P Solang u balong u AH and veterinary officer jong ka nong ston Ulaong ba, hadu menta kidang don tang kitehi ki arpu arteri ki sniang ki bala yok kem ya ketika jingpang, bat ki bala yapno ki de ru na uju ubriu. Ulaong ru ban nakalyang jo katenan kan lech ketika snong naga benta ban penlong ya ka jingyalang ban pensngo thu pal ba halor ketika jingpang, kumnu ka sapriang bat kumnu ban yada.
Katkum ga official report baga bangila le te don tang uing briu hadu menta wala yok ketika ASF bala report but bangil ale interview o bangil ale postmortem la you report tang way breu hapo ti saw bang perteng jong de sakius tempon te kumar ko arteli ay gisniang gilayaw hadu menta katung jingtik jongi de arpo arteli hi ta gisniang gibalayo but arpo arteli gilayap jong tauju hi wona tauju hi unang ram in pelong no ka awareness program sibit sambaji memit Shillong tisau tu kumno bani contain ane kumno bani ada ya kijing sapriang kan jong dan kijing pang
Ka Ministry of Rural Development kala penlong ya ka jingya dia thit bala tip kom ka Meghalaya saras ajivika ka basaw ka balong shitayaw lenter ka tanadu ka arpu artare ujemang hadu ka lai phawai tare ujemang hamadan pulu Shillong Hakani ka jingya dia thit lawan shimbenta da bonwut ki breu na ki jela ba pher ka north east ki bala pen ipu iphi nga ka yo de tiar ki bala shna bat o shdong da ki kti kum ki furniture ki tiar bu ban pen internet rengkat ki sopti ha ki rong phong ba pher bar kum juru ki mar ba mardi kum ka wan bat ki we ki jatiar
You can still do the business okay for products which are not registered in GST portal. Those products which are not listed in GST portal, still you can do the business with those products also. Okay. Now later on you feel that nahi, these 5 products which we have listed in GST portal, the same state. अगर आप मेघालय से एक ही मेघालय में ही कोई कंज्यूमर को बेच रहे हो, तो you have to pay CGST and SGST. Okay. CGST means Central Goods and Services Tax. SGST मतलब State Goods and Services Tax. CGST will go to Government of India and SGST will go to government. And एक चीज याद रखिएगा, you will be liable to pay GST from the date of GST registration. You will be liable to pay GST from the date of GST registration. After I said कि I have taken GST.
वीडियो काट करके बनाते हैं
आप किसी को अगर बिल दोगे you will have to give a GST bill. ठीक है मान लो कि इंडिया सेलिंग मनी
Pano. Yeah. No, don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Meeting mo
कुछ खत्म बन गया शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू रह गया
Hello sir. So I recommend some company for giving a good quality and everything. Like you see here, यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर बन रहा है और खास करके मतलब जो भी काम है सब मशीन कर रहा है, बस हमें बैठ के देखना है कि हाँ जो काम हो रहा है वो सही हो रही है। और देख सकते हैं कि धागा टूट चुका है यहाँ पे। सो इफ़ एनी प्रॉब्लम धागा टूट जाएगा यहाँ से, इसको काट के मुझे चेंज करना है।
These are all handmade. These are from waste product, and these are key ring, which I made with my crochet. I made all these Christmas ornaments. All these Christmas ornaments, and even the car ornaments, and all these I made by my own hand. And these are lamb. These are lamb. These are all handmade. These are candle. These are scented candle which we made with handmade only. That's all.
Ini produk kita ngapain ini yang isnahi yang dan nilai yang kata originally organic 100% organic klaim pula bisa betul beira. Ta ini dari strawberry mengiara bisa super. Nah, nak di strawberry ni larukan sinar ini betul strawberry wine.
Baro ngadai komina nongrum masyo ngata hamsawan ngadai naka SSG umpo dio buat ngadai naka nang yayasan itu ngawan hangnya panwan syong ya kaneka saras melamu kabalong hapulo na lupa kan tadi arpu tarik hadu laipu wai tarik te ngawan ra ya kini candy wine juice chips bati asha bati powder dia ngakerpat mah ngakerpat bakin yawan mo ban yawan pek dalam hidup hikmat boleh
Hadirin bagi bor distrik jangka Karbi Anglong bat ka Jantia Hills kilaya kendu ban temkat bala ya kajing akan at hapadang kini ki ar mamla Menteri Rangba ka Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma bat Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma kila menjur ban jengo ya ka West Jantia Hills bat ki benta jangka Karbi Anglong ha ubnai jeliu ar hajar ar pulai hakitu ki benta ki bala pun kajing akan at ka bajur hapadang ki Karbi bat ki penar Hadirin balawai ke Jingyalang ke balalong haka arpu sauter jymmang ar hajar arpulai ha Guwahati guest house habai kran bakilat pakai KHUBOR naka liang kini ki arngut ki Menteri Rangba kiliat hu ba ke jingya penbait put haka wat ke baar kan ya chakmat haki Henry tuli ki jaka ki badangsa ki bahab hakaput Assam bat Meghalaya.
Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees, and as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place. And we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we'll be able to get reports very soon. In some areas it may be faster, some areas may take a bit more time. During that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi-Along and West Jaintia Hills. The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi-Along and West Jaintia Hills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest. But during that process, we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July, we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees. And I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam, under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue with the survey work that is going on in the first 6 areas of differences. And we have asked them to discuss with different officials and the public at the grassroots level to ensure that we take everybody into confidence and we are able to finish the survey work also for the first 6 areas of differences at the earliest. So with these few words, I once again, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his government for having hosted this meeting.
Any stipulated time frame that both the government has agreed upon?
6 area of dispute, and from today, the regional committees of both the state will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists. In the month of June, basically in the last part of June, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi-Along and Jaintia Hills area where presently some unrest is going on as a confidence building measure, so that the people in both sides feel confident and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam. I think today is the another beginning, because after Sri Conrad Sangma re-elected to the post of Chief Minister Meghalaya, for the first time we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, look, as Honorable CM Meghalaya has said, that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea, but what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How complicated are the remaining 6 distributed sites in comparison to the previous 6 ones?
Out of these 6 area, we have Lampi and we have also Khanduli Block 1, Block 2, and there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue, and in Assam side, the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficult, but as CM Meghalaya said, when there is a will, there will be a way.
Kadbanang kiu ka jingdon ki kali, kelanang bu hakasor mairang bat kawe kadaw kabakta, kadei na ka jingjur ka jingdheng kali kamtam ha station pendeng umyong kabadon hayaw langsti. Hene kasingi hakajinga kran bat usor dar kasnong pendeng umyong uba bornar siemyong, ulayat ho ba na kalyang jong kasnong pendeng umyong bat kasnong lum so klor harangkat ketenar pulit kila persang ban thau de kilat kilenti ban penduna ya ka jingdheng kali hakate ka jaka hakaba kila bu no de ki signboard no entry hakisau tali ki jaka bat harangkat ka jing tho ba umshashu ya ki kali he ban rung lani ban ya lengba ka station pendeng umyong nadu ka por nyo baji menstem hadu ka por khandai baji janmit bat ladadon ki bale persha na kalyang kasnong bat kitenar pulit kin penshitom katkum ki kendon an balabu.
Hari ini kita istiyo beladap ngeli ya malam meneng ngeli belang baik polis ngelabu ini signboard no entry hang tai ha lum sok keluar umoleng hang tai po jam simas bad hang tai po blok magaong ma keli ke bawan na po thanok klau in mut balai Shillong in kapan tangi kitrop mungkin ya na kini kamai orang bypass mission sebuah highway di bawah na Shillong balai thanok klau ya hi na kini ka highway sarung na kini ka mairang bypass kini kali ke ba nang ni na po gibamot nang ni na jiki umolen gibamot bandung station itu ro hapan wan phai ban ya na kini ka mairang bypass kali like dom ro Muhammad balai sa Shillong tiktok ya banton na tu sentama sablok sawan misto merang bypass jadi nak pergi kali itu hati kemudian kita mulai dan membaca mana balai sa itu sampai balai ingin sa balai kita bisa itu dia banyak isu blok semi sport merang bypass ini cepat tiktok sini mau bypass sini sebab banyak hilang kang banwara yang disuk design pelak yang cikapnya ha ka Shillong kata aku cungi kini ke Shillong jungi kini ke sor mairang ba ong mo nadu baglawan kini ke distrik ke Mai ke kelas dang ke jiki perang mo haba ibubun kibri kelas dang banwan ba chani sipo ka distrik headquarter nah ni barkhoi ki office sarkar ke dan ni ta ka yo ka hat ke dan ni te ki kaliru ki labun palat-palat kan ni kejok bomta namar ba kibri ulai naik ke kayo kot mo balik sinsuno le beda kali te kalau long ki surok padi dangren nang ta ki ka yang kaliru ki duna ba te kene kala khap ngia hadu kata-kata te kan ni ji khap ngia na kala jingi kum Shillong le khat ba ni le tho sa sarkar ba ladai kali ki ya nang ni position ka penjenjar ba kali kawan ji pai ba bro tinggal tho sa sarkar ba kan snano i kene ka mairang bypass kabala snai kene mairang bypass ka jumut jungi kalau bagin daibat lut ya bro ki kali he ba kin ya na kene ka mairang bypass ni kene surok bypass bunyi ong ka bagin rung position kin ya na kene tiga we ka ba na kini sing le song to khatlang bat ki police ba ya kini ki trok baro ke ba de ben lai chak thai nong klau you want a Shillong balai cak thai nang klau ban hapan rung lembai ka station Pemyong nang taki kali you want thai nang klau ban rung station Pemyong kemat inam syaso mo bat ni kepai ni trok ba ya no na kanika mairang bypass nama nang tai na lum so khulur ra pi ya na lum so khulur sayo bat sami po blok ban na lum so khulur pi ya na kanika mairang bypass ni ka kalau tak 100 meter e ji jinga kam dai ba ka jinga pelan tak 100 meter e ji ka tinala rung po station pe kalong ka ji khamnya namar ka Kektaro i kapor jeng itu gi kaliru nomor ba ka blok itu po station ka bujing ru na bata gi weipan tin nomor ta kadaw ni ki lai penbai ba kata kom ba malaksi na ru kapor nyob jim step do khandai bi jim miet nam sa shu i kitrok ban rung lembak ni ka station Pemyong baru i kitrok bukti mo ba nam dei su benang wan satu ni kinjai be na ka mairang bypass nomor kan pen kloy persup orang peta jumpi bra ka jupor kan penwet ya kaya yang jump ba hang tai po station Pemyong te lada kini kitrok jingi lada ki ang yuan le se in hap dia perkat ni benda mon kat bat buat jadi bulat ti memang jika ya keren nomor kata kalau ba ese kini dikhapnya apa station jingi lu kalau ba ni duna kini ki parking place nimdan kita kayeng kali ke bawah apakah Buncing kali jumi kapan yang ia po sulok banyak passenger banyak lecin stabun yang po sulok. Wer parking jungi ni kita tang kendiat mo tenai kalau kau bengi sungu kalau bagi dan ki pai ba jungi ki ba penkrai ki private parking mungkin kong meri marbaniang nangta dan jaka po Shillong kendiat po badan klub jaka jung kong dari hun nangkhoi tiga don sakwe kita jaka jung itu ki jung komistida kong dari lang barwin tu buat yang ki semua stan ta ni jung roitina kong maduna kitu gila kidon kitu kistan jung ki kalayap sibun di hari ni kising gila don tu ki be badai kila na penkrek ban bu parking hapo jan juga station tinggi kerman nak lagi aplir sakit ki parking place kan kami harap hi ya ki kali jingi bengirung ha ki parking ban penkeriak ru itu kali ki bayang ha ki surok kenang bakan penwet ya ka ya yang barho tu bangala keren sisin kalong ba ni soban ajung mat ya ka sarkar banang ni khmat mo hai aman laki jaka ki bala i ba ki longsor ka sarkar gadi ban thil pa no ki jaka ban yang kali ni parking place amal ra ka thil sarkar dan jinge mo kam dan jinge nei ban up ban chuyo betang lo snong ban chuyo na pai ba kalong kai ka ba nel da sarkar ka simkhia kan thil pa ki jaka ki ba kluit kum ki jaka wala longsor ai nuksa kum mairang nong stoin kum ha so iyong ha mo nga pamosun ra mak ter kan tiada jika kan peluang jika yang kali saya kan sapusuk ikut iba lah saya lesni berapa ke sorkar kan develop lu kalau ban develop mungkin itu jika kan long ar lai malah hak tak kuam kenang ba kan nyam sibun ki kali mo hak itu jika kan sorkar kalau pun khair bah kita kayak gede bang don ban ajik mol dan ban ong hak mungkin kepuas
Kastap jangka arpu saw tarik ujemang kalapan i ka nuksa joka jingya teli haka baki spangut ki ba kilayami ban kershan ka sengsan partai Voice of the People's Party halor ka jing thmu ban penki ka reservation policy karba ka jing sha thangan ka seng VPP haka jingya lam uba Arden Miller basayomoit u president rangba ka seng kala nang ya chakman la sakhi ka jing tu ki ba na keleng ka rikhasi jantia ki bra let chakate ka jaka ban aiman sem ban ai jing kershan ya kinong ya lam ka seng VPP Ka Confederation of Ribhoi People CORP haka jingelam uba bandari renta thiang President Rangba uba Pateng Marsing Working President uba Shining Star Kentla Finance Secretary lemat ki wei ki dekot ka seng haka arpu saw terek ujemang arhajar arpulai kila let ban ai mensim ya President ka VPP uba Arden Miller basayomat bar kumju ru ki wei de ki dekot ka seng VPP ki baladon rengkat haka ne ka jingekun
Tangina ka Confederation of Ribhoi People ni songkhya Mengiwan hang ni ban ai ke jingkershan papura ya ka VPP ko ke jingelam jing ba Arden ilong ke balakloi ban IT mat ban mensim lada kene ke jingki kadang yaina ngiru na kalyang kasang ngim ban se ban mi shkmat ban yatrelang bat ke jingelam jing ba Arden ndrei ke bang sobunang kene ka por ngakentu ya kene ke sarkar maka de ban simkhya mardor maka de ban urlong la ne ke de ban krenno ya kena kamat jong resolution policy mendai ban sukhen sting lane ban susngap menti kat kene ke jinga ke bagi khun samla ge kendo ngagar paru ya borok ke mele khasi kiba dan kene government barwat ki bamdan ru kene government soba bikin ailang ke jing trelang ke banang ne shikmat bandawa kowe ke sur kowe ke jingmut kumba ka VPP klaya shikmat na ka benta kala we jong ka jaj benreu ten nagalang ka seng nang Yai kershan nakapor sakapor pada don ginono jingki ngim long ki balak kloy ban mi shkhman alor bede kene kabenta nakalang jong seng hi ngilong ki balak kloy ban sim ya kene senjam ladaka sarkar kam sim la kitle lan kam sim ya ke jingit kle ban penulong ki mat jingdawa
Hadin balami biang ka jing shaot kilo kinong rap haki thanyo bhoirambong habaki die ki marjung ki hayo mentakasngi Naka seng kinong rep balatip kung ka Hills Farmers Union hapo ka jingelam jong uba Alfan Kharsentiu. Kila let ban yakundu yu Chief Executive Member jong ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council uba Titos Khan ban pentip sya u ya ka kam baki nong khayi ki bale persya wat hadin baka District Council ka ada ban a ya ka notification bambit ban ot kilo. Habakran sikilar pathai khubor unong yalam jong ka nika kunhun uba Alfan Kharsentiu ulay thu ba kalong kapas ngau tenat ya kinong rap banakaliang ka district council ka kular ban shim khia ya kanika mat ban ai jing tip shi kinong khayi ba kimde ban odd kilo nang ne shakmat haka ju kapor nakaliang u CEM ka council uba Titos Khan uloong ba unha pan ya kundu bar kinong khayi ban pentikna ba ka odd kilo kamde ban tre kam sho nang ne shakmat
hadin ba ni sko ban ai kuble ya ka office jong CEM jo ka KHDC ba kila snow ya kaneka jikarpat jogi bat kila ai da baju ujor kabidei bat kawai kanong khayi ka bala 4 kilo ig marap wad hadin bala panmi ka ka notification na do khasan tarik jong ubanai me nakaliang jong ka EM jong ka market KHDC gilai kran gilai tai sibun ba kimat kabidei bat kani ka jong 4 kilo tingis ngo scam kum kinong rap amar nakaliang jong ka KHDC kayang ba ya kanong rem ba kan persya ba ya kajing 4 kilo khamtam habro ki yo ki bahap hapo kajing pe jingo jong ka KHDC te hakabide ba kani ka kies ka ba niwan ujor mata kasngi angis ngo komen ba nakaliang jong ka KHDC kala nang ka nakaliang ka jong i MDC bat EM jong ka KHDC lali bane kran mane ya kinong khaya po bahrambang bat menta kasngi ila dap khat yaki hakapor arbaji ba kinwan bane kendo yo CM khnang ban yo ban pensyai khnang ban yo ban pensyai yaki bat la penting naru bai ya katu kapisa ka badangsa ba de jong kinong rap kinong khayi ki di bansiyo 100% bat kinom sha 1 kilo kani kalong ka khubor sabar khot ki para nong rap ki jongi ki badan ha ka khasi bajantia banakaliang jo kasil nakaliang jo kaseng hill sama inian nginum song thaj mentah kin sedang ban mi kijor na mau kunrau kin sedang ban mi kijor na po tersat kin sedang ban mi kijor na Shillong na po West Khasi Hill bat kumjuru na kithan Jaintia Hill District te ki babun hi mentah kijor ki bami na po umsning bat na po lacharai bat terter ki lanang kiu sayo henry kani ka khubor ngi pha sikinong rap ban nakaliang jo ka Hill Sama Union ngin nang yai khun bat ngin nang ai ka jingkershani ki nong rap ki ba pentip changi hakabede bat ka jing 8 kilo nakaliang jo ka seng kanum song thaj hoj ngin song thu kan sabun ka jing sha pentin ko tempan nakaliang jo ki nong khayi bekin thiep ki mar rap nang ta susu bakin lani bakin penslam ban siu ki mar jo ki nong rap henry nakaliang ka jongi ngan ong IP menta kadang dai tang ka jing sedang ka bangi keren ba ka KHDC henry nakaliang jo Hill Sama Union ngin sa penbor ya minister jong ka weight and measurement ba ude ban wara ka an ka strong jadi ban ngin ya keren ya ka sarkar ba ka dai ban wanra ya ka an ka ban khang sundan ya ka jing 8 kilo bat ha ka bede bat ka belru ngila kular ya ka KHDC ka barang sakut ha ka jing sign jong gobernur nakaliang jong ka Hill Sama Union ngin salik kendo ya gobernur ba ude ban sign bat ba ude ban le kham kloi khnang ba kani ka bil ka bala thau da ka KHDC ha ka bede ban wara ka jing mentoy jong kinong rap nakaliang jong ka KHDC kilo ong ba kani ka bil kan ai khandai 0.5% ka jing mentoy kinong rap tinga sngo ba kani ka bil ka barang sakut menta hapo ka jing pejing khmi ba jing sign jong gobernur nakaliang jong Hill Sama Union ngin push kani ka bil but immediately kadi ban pass now don padai ki badan hapo kinong khayi ki badan hapo bahirmbang ki basong ha kitu kidukan hapo yo bahirmbang
ki ot kat no pat kesh
ka jik kilo na ka 10 kilo te ka bamut ada 6 kilo ki ot 10 kilo te ki di using uba kini kinong rap ki jongi ki let di saungut kidan ka total jong ka weight ka ba using udan kalong pras pa prapoi kilo bat ki shaot ka jing shaot jong ki kalong prapo pra kilo telada prapo pra kilo ha ka dor shis pa khandai pausan perkhat mafi ka jingdu nong ka jong kinong rap naka pras pa kilo kalong hadu khanyo hajar tingka khanyo hajar hinyo spa prapusan tingka perkhat mafi telada ka bamut balare shipau teli ki trok kimi ha ka shisngi na po bhairambang bali die yos ing sabar kinong rap ki IA shitrok ye kinong khayi us ing kata ta ka concern jo ka Hill Sama Union bada lele ro ngimla ban priang ya ka jing 8 kilo ka baknyat ben yo nong ka putri
Badak itu ki kuboy na poy ka bakun tarhadu bangin daya syambyang kublai shibun